We are on the Stone Lick East. Wait, East Fork? No, we're on the Stone Lick Creek,
Oh my god, this is steep.
and I can already see smallmouth. You see him sitting there?
Oh, that's a big one.
Yeah. All right. Let's see who's got the most juice power.
Why
What?
are you taping me walking down?
No, this is part of the intro, babe. Come on down.
No, this is crap.
I'm here to brace your fall. Should it happen.
No, I don't know.
You just gonna butt scoot down? No, stand up.
No, it's...
You're gonna scratch your butt. Jen, freaking avalanche is happening.
No, I got it.
What? Then what are you hitting your hand out for?
For balance. Are you kidding me?
Already. Whoa, there he goes. Okay. See you later.
Spoonie or cranker? What do you think?
Crank.
What?
This little nug.
You just belly flopped him. Casting weird. Whoa! Almost lost that one.
I know.
Oh, you didn't do backflips. Why? Ooh! Okay, I want a fish tank full of those. How do I make that happen?
Buy fish tank.
How big does it need to be? Oh, that's so pretty. I want them to only be those fish.
Oh, whoa. And there he went. I totally didn't expect to catch anything there. Nice, decent smallie. Easy, bud, easy, bud. Small dog. Small jaw. Good looking too. He's nice and light colored. Let him go over here. Yeah, if anything's gonna be juice here, that would be a nice big boulder. Throw it into the fast-moving water, and then just bring it past the boulder like a foot out. Hug the boulder tight. Yeah, perfect. I'll tip down. Oh, there we go.
Seriously?
That's a good one too.
Ben. Ben.
Hold please.
Whoa!
That's why I said hold please.
Well, I had one on. And
I saw him. He's a little nugger. And I was like, okay, the weeds in those rocks look the juice. Juice! All right, buddy.
Okay. Well.
Okay. He was a little anxious.
Maybe we can talk, 10.
Smalley! Okay, bye.
How many?
Oh! There we go. He came back for it. Oh, man. All right, decent little night out. I had a,
Yes, we saw a meow me.
We did see a meow meow.
Highlighted my night.
And I caught a couple decent smallies. Like for this, I mean, we're deepest part is what, 2 feet maybe, maybe. Really skinny water, and it's crazy because this is even skinnier water. Normally, this is up, I would say a foot probably. I don't know. I think I caught around 10 or so. How much you catch?
3.
Hey, that's no skunks.
No skunks. I've decided that we're gonna have a long-eared sunfish aquarium.
Yes, long-eared sunfish are super bright and really pretty fish, and
Keep
often mistaken for pumpkin seeds, just because of the coloring.
But they're gorgeous.
Yeah, but they're pretty awesome. Anyway, we'll see you guys on the next adventure.
Bye, hat.